Noche Buena items for this year, majority of them have no price increase from last year's 2025. So, and then after that, tinanong sa akin, kasya na ba po ang 500 pesos? Then I said, yes, kasya ng 500 pesos. But it depends on the number of the family members. Kasi usually, ang family members na kasya itong 500 is mom, dad, and 2 children. So, ngayon, yung ibang family members naman po ay mother and let's say daughter or son, or father and then daughter or son, or can be mother, father, and 1 child. So, yun po yung explanation ko dun sa 500 pesos. But again, the Noche Buena celebration or Noche Buena handa will depend on the number of family members or even extended relatives that will be joining the Noche Buena celebration. But when they asked the 500 pesos, this meant that when I explained this is for, again, mother and father and 2 children. And then this guy, we got these prices from the price set by the DTI, which is this Noche Buena price guide list. In fact,
kung magkukompute ako, kung bibili ako ng 1 kilo na ham, na mumurahin, hindi yung may brand, pwede. Ham lang.
Wala po si spaghetti.
Depende kasi. Depende yan eh. Kung anong bibilin mo. Ano ba ang balak mo? Kasi di ba may nabibili naman na nakapack na yung pang chop suey. Mura lang yun. Tapos bumili ka ng bihon, toyo.
Pero ma'am, tama po ba na dapat pagkasyahin yung 500, lalo na po ngayon na nakaranas po ang bansa ng kalamidad?
Ulit-ulit, kung dapat pagkasyahin.
Pagkasyahin yung 500 na pang Noche Buena, lalo na nakaranas sa mga...
At ito ba yung kwentuhan na lang tayo? Depende, kasi kung yun lang naman ang kaya ko.
Okay, ma'am.
At kaya ko namang tumingin sa mga may discount. May mga grocery stores na may discount. Pag malapit na yung, let's say, 3 months na dapat mabenta na ito lahat, depende po yan si diskarte. But still, sabi ko, hindi po ako sasagot in behalf of DTI dahil magkakaroon po sila ng kanilang press briefing.
Thank you po, ma'am.